In this video, I will share a concept that I find very interesting. Because finally, everyone can make money for free. You can see my bullet points here. It's fun and easy to do. No recruitment required. It has a massive viral potential. It's worldwide. It's easy to promote. It has a friend plan in it. And it's totally free. No fees, no monthly costs. So, who is behind this concept? It is a company called KPFC Limited in India. It was founded in 2008 by the CEO Navneet P. Singh. I've known this gentleman for a few years now, and I know him as a serious entrepreneur, and is a very hard-working gentleman. During these 11 years, they have achieved to get 12 web developers, programmers, and 2 graphical designers. And I know from experience that Indian programmers are very high-skilled people. Here in Norway, where I live, we usually hire Indian web developers. So I know that Navneet Singh has put together a powerful team. Their vision is to make business easier, have more fun while making money. That resonates to me and many others. The mission is something is very alike I put a lot of passion in, which is to create an opportunity for everyone all around the world for free. That's just great. So there are 3 exciting components in this company. They have created a social media platform where you can create a profile, you can make posts, create groups, you can connect with other people, you can chat, and many other things. There is an advertising service, and under development there is a cashback app. So what I think is really important here is that it's totally free to join. No monthly fees, no costs at all. So it's simply risk-free. So why not join and check it out and see what will happen. The companies share 40% of their revenues to reward you for your activities on their social media platform. And you receive credits called Red L. That stands for Redefined Luxury. So this is how they reward you. So this is an example. If you add people for free, you get, at least in the beginning, you get 5 Red L credits. If you make a post, you get a half Red L credit. If you just log into your profile and look around, you also get a half Red L credit. And many more rewards will come in the future. And the best of all is that you can convert these credits to real money or to gifts, or you can convert it to the coming cashback app. So this is really exciting. So you can ask, where does the revenue come from? They come from advertisers. And you don't have to buy any ad packs to earn, because you don't earn from ad packs. You earn for free. There are external advertisers who put in money. They purchase advertising and it's not from the members. They will never ask you to pay for advertising if you don't want to. And there is no need to refer anyone, but if you do, there is a generous friend plan. You can earn 0.1% extra Red L credits. So on top of the 40% revenue sharing, they add 12% revenue sharing up to 120 levels deep. This is very interesting because this can mean a residual monthly income for you. And for many people, this will be a life-changing income because if you see here, the first gentleman here, he generates 500 credits, the next one 25, the next one 2,000, the next one 5, 6,000, 250, 5, 1,200, etc. So this can add up very quickly. And remember, this can go as deep as 120 levels, so there can be enormous amounts of people. So look at compensation plan for details on this. But this is really, really interesting. And remember, you join for free. So the question is this sustainable? Yes, because the Red L value will fluctuate depending on these two parameters. One, company turnover that day, and two, how many Red L credits generated that day or withdrawn from users. And can I make money for free? Is this real? So now I'll come with another income disclaimer because this is only an example and this is for illustration purpose. But this can be real as well. So if you visit the website daily and we say 30 days in a month, you get a half Red L credit for doing that. So that's 15 credits alone. Okay? If you add a friend for free daily, say you refer refer one friend, you get 5 Red L credits for one friend, and you do that daily. That's 150 Red L credits, okay? And if you make a post daily, that's a half Red L credit times 30 days, that's 15. So in total, 180 Red L credits. So many more fun ways to earn these credits will come in the future. And remember, you got 120 levels referral commissions in Red L as well. So let's say, and this is just an example, if the Red L value is $1, then you earn 180 US dollars. So the question is, do you believe that 180 US dollars will help people? Is this a good extra income? Yes, it could be for some people. But remember, we added one friend per day. Imagine if you add 10 or 50 or 100 friends per day times 30 in a month. And you just ask them to join for free. So it's not very difficult. And when you do that, then you can have a life-changing residual income. So to receive your daily Red L rev share, you simply watch premium advertisements every 24 hours. So this is the only qualification you do, and it's fun to do as well. So depending on the revenues that day, you will watch 2, 5, 8, or 10 premium ads, and you spend 20 seconds each. So let's say it's a very good a day for revenues in this company, and you need to watch 10 ads. That's a maximum of 4 minutes a day to receive residual income. So if you ever dreamed about financial freedom, you can do that now for free. Help your friends and tell and share this opportunity with others. So I recommend you to click on the link below now and get your referral link and sign up for free. So hope this was interesting for you. I'm very enthusiastic about this. So thank you very much for watching this video and all success. Cheers. Bye bye.